In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Asana. If you find yourself rebuilding the same workflows over and over, project duplication is the fastest way to spin up a consistent, ready-to-use space without starting from scratch. First, open the project you want to copy, make sure you're in the correct workspace or team, and double-check that this is the version you want to replicate. It helps to confirm you have access to everything inside the project, since your permissions determine what gets carried over. At the top of the project, find the drop-down arrow next to the project name. This is the project actions menu. Whether you're in list view, board view, or timeline, that small arrow lives right beside the project title in the header bar. Click it to reveal all the options tied to the project. From that menu, select duplicate. As soon as you do, Asana will open a duplication window where you can set the details for your new project. This is where the magic happens. Customize the new project so it's immediately useful. Start by renaming it. Give it a clear, specific title that tells your team what it's for, like adding a date, a client name, or the word template if you plan to reuse it again. Then decide what data to bring over. You can check the boxes for items like tasks, assignees, and due dates. If you're using this as a starting point and don't want to alert teammates yet, consider leaving assignees unchecked or remove due dates to prevent accidental overdue tasks. If you are rebuilding a live project and want continuity, keep those boxes checked so everything carries forward. Depending on your plan, you may see additional options. Include only what you genuinely need to avoid clutter. When you're satisfied with the settings, click Create New Project. Asana will generate a fresh copy based on your choices. The new project will appear in your sidebar or team view, typically in the same location as the original. Open it up and do a quick scan. Confirm the name is correct, sections or columns are in place, and the tasks you expected to copy are there. If you kept assignees and due dates, verify they still make sense for this iteration. Adjust anything that needs a new timeline or owner. That's it. By opening the original project, using the drop-down next to the title to select duplicate, customizing what to keep, and clicking Create New Project, you'll save time and maintain consistency across your workflows.